Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Indices. If 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 160, find the value of x. Here the expression is 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 to the power x plus 1. Now this is a tricky problem. You see the index is x minus 1 in the first part and index is x plus 1 in the second part. To solve this, you have to convert the index of one part in terms of the index of another part. So here the index of the second part, that is x plus 1, we convert it in terms of x minus 1. So that means we make the value x, index value x minus 1, and then add the rest of the things, so that we can just rewrite x 2 to the power x minus 1 into two portions with an index having x plus 1. So you see how we do that. So in this case we may write 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal as 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2, because x minus 1 plus 2 is x plus 1. So you can again, so that we can again write this as 2 to the power x minus 1 into 2 to the power 2, because the index value x minus 1 plus 2. So you can write it because m plus n, 2 to the power m plus n is 2 to the power m into 2 to the power n. So like that you can write 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 as 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2. Step 2. Having done that, now the problem becomes a bit simpler and solvable. So in step 2 we may write the expression of the left side is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1 plus substitute the value of 2 to the power x plus 1 as explained. So that is 2 to the power x minus 1 into 2 to the power 2 as explained above. So in step 3 you can rewrite the expression taking that 2 to the power x minus 1 as common. That was our main purpose of converting the second part in terms of first part, so that we can take the common value of for the both parts as a common value. So we can write the left hand side as 2 to the power x minus 1 into within 1, because the 2 to the power x minus 1 is 2 to the power x minus 1 equal to 1, and then 2 to the power 2, because 2 to the power x minus 1 is common in both the parts. So in step 4 you get the left hand side expression value is 2 to the power x minus 1 into 1 plus 2 square, that is 1 plus 4. So is equal to 160, that is given in the problem. So in step 5 you get 2 to the power x minus 1 into 1 plus 4, that is 5, is equal to 160. So you get the expression 2 to the power x minus 1 into 5 is equal to 160. So 2 to the power x minus 1 equal to 160 by 5 is equal to 32. Now 32 is again 2 to the power 5. So in next step you can write 2 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 5. So in this equality the base value is same, that is 2. So in the index must be equal. So x minus 1 is equal to 5, or x is equal to 5. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.